In this lesson, we're going to learn how to make sentences negative in French. La négation. To make a sentence negative in French, place ne or an apostrophe if the verb starts with a vowel, and pas either side of the conjugated verb. The subject plus ne plus verb plus pas structure is the equivalent of subject plus verb plus not in English. Here's an example. Je ne suis pas contente. I'm not happy. Je n'ai pas mes clés. I don't have my keys. Once you know how to use ne pas, you can substitute pas with many other adverbs in order to make more meaning. You could use ne rien, not anything. Ne plus, not anymore. Ne aucun, not any. Ne jamais, never. Ne ni, not nor. Ne personne, not anyone. Some examples. Je n'ai rien dans mon sac. I don't have anything in my bag. Je n'ai rien fait. I haven't done anything. Elle ne pleure plus. She isn't crying anymore. Je n'ai plus faim. I'm not hungry anymore. Tu ne fais aucun effort. You don't make any effort. Je n'ai aucun espoir. I don't have any hope. Ne parle jamais aux étrangers. Never speak to strangers. Je ne vais jamais au cinéma. I never go to the cinema. Il ne fait ni la vaisselle ni le ménage. He doesn't do the washing up nor the housework. Elle ne voit personne. She isn't seeing anyone. Elle n'aime personne. She doesn't love anyone. Here's a list of other useful adverbs that follow the same grammatical rules as the ones we've just seen. Ne, pas encore, not yet. Ne, pas toujours, not always. Ne, pas beaucoup, not too much. Ne, pas du tout, not at all. Ne, jamais rien, never anything. When the verb is in the infinitive, both parts of the negation go before the verb. This structure is mostly used to give instructions. Here are some examples. Ne pas fumer dans ce bâtiment. No smoking or do not smoke in this building. Ne pas courir dans les couloirs. No running, do not run in the hallways. When an indefinite article, such as un, une, des, would be placed after pas or any of the other adverbs, you have to change it to de or the apostrophe in front of a vowel in the negative. For example, j'ai des enfants. This is a positive statement and des is an indefinite article. So in the negative it becomes je n'ai pas d'enfants. Des becomes the apostrophe. I have children. I don't have any children. Another example. J'ai un fils. I have a son. Je n'ai pas de fils. I don't have a son. Finally, it's worth noting that in informal spoken French, the ne is often dropped. This is the end of the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.